Factories need machines, businesses need power. These are the lifelines that keep the wheels of industry turning, the unsung heroes behind every product you see on the shelves. These things don't run on good vibes. They require robust, reliable equipment to function smoothly day in and day out. They need boilers, generators, HVAC systems, the works. These systems are the backbone of any industrial operation, ensuring that everything runs like a well-oiled machine. These aren't just machines, they're the beating heart of your operation. Without them, your business would come to a standstill. Imagine this, your boiler goes kaput. Suddenly, the entire production line is in jeopardy. Production screeches to a halt. Workers stand idle and deadlines loom ominously. You're losing money faster than a hamster on a wheel. Every second counts and every minute of downtime translates to lost revenue. That's where boiler and machinery insurance struts in like a knight in shining armor, probably covered by insurance too. It's not just a safety net, it's a lifeline. This isn't just about fixing the problem. It's about minimizing the damage. Quick repairs mean less downtime and less financial loss. We're talking lost income, spoilage, repairs, the whole shebang. The costs can add up quickly, and without insurance, they can be devastating. Think of it as a financial defibrillator for your business. It jolts your operations back to life, ensuring that you can continue to thrive even in the face of unexpected setbacks. Let's start with the basics, understanding the fundamentals of boiler and machinery. Insurance is crucial for any business that relies on heavy equipment and industrial machinery. Boiler and machinery insurance covers, well, boilers and machinery. This type of insurance is designed to protect your business from the financial fallout of equipment breakdowns. Think pressure vessels, electrical systems, HVAC units, the usual suspects. These are the backbone of many industrial operations, and their failure can lead to significant downtime and financial loss. Now picture this. Your trusty boiler decides to take an unscheduled vacation. Suddenly, your production line grinds to a halt and you're left scrambling to find a solution. This insurance swoops in to cover the cost of repairs or even replacement. It ensures that your business can get back on track as quickly as possible, minimizing downtime and financial loss. And we're not just talking about the broken parts. The insurance also covers the labor costs associated with the repairs, which can be substantial. Remember that lost production we talked about? The insurance can compensate for the revenue you lose during the downtime, helping to keep your business afloat. This insurance has got you covered there too. It can also help with the costs of temporary equipment rentals or other measures you might need to keep things running. And if things get really ugly, like a fire or explosion, yikes, it can help with property damage and liability claims. This means you won't be left shouldering the financial burden alone. In essence, boiler and machinery insurance is a safety net for your business, ensuring that unexpected equipment failures don't derail your operations or your bottom line. Okay, we've covered the basics, but what about the big leagues? Think massive turbines, intricate manufacturing robots, and those computer systems that make your head spin. These aren't your grandpa's machines. They're complex, interconnected, and expensive to fix. That's why boiler and machinery insurance has evolved too. It now covers things like cyber attacks, software glitches, and even operator errors. Because let's face it, humans make mistakes, especially when faced with a control panel that looks like it belongs on the Starship Enterprise with all its buttons and lights. Navigating the world of boiler and machinery insurance can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. The complexities and technicalities involved can be overwhelming, especially for those who are not well versed in insurance jargon or the specific needs of industrial machinery. It's a maze of terms, conditions, and clauses that can leave even the most experienced business owners scratching their heads. That's where insurance consultants come in. These professionals are like the navigators in this intricate world of insurance. They bring clarity and understanding to what can often seem like an impenetrable fog of information. These folks are like the insurance whisperers. With their expertise, they can decode the most complex policies and translate them into plain language that anyone can understand. They act as interpreters, bridging the gap between the technical language of insurance and the practical needs of your business. They'll assess your risks, explain the jargon, and help you find a policy that fits you like a glove, a very safe and insured glove. They take the time to understand the unique aspects of your operations, ensuring that every potential risk is covered. This personalized approach means that you get a policy tailored specifically to your needs, providing comprehensive coverage without unnecessary extras. They're your advocates, making sure you're not overpaying or underinsured. By negotiating with insurance providers on your behalf, they ensure that you get the best possible deal. Their goal is to provide you with maximum protection at a cost that makes sense for your business. So there you have it. With the help of an insurance consultant, navigating boiler and machinery insurance becomes a manageable task. Boiler and machinery insurance isn't just a piece of paper, it's peace of mind. It's the assurance that your business is protected against unforeseen mechanical failures and accidents. This type of insurance ensures that your operations can continue smoothly, even when unexpected issues arise. It's knowing that when things go wrong, and they will, you've got a safety net. This safety net can be the difference between a minor hiccup and a major financial disaster. It provides the support you need to get back on track quickly and efficiently. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Protect your business today. Investing in boiler and machinery insurance is a proactive step towards safeguarding your future. With the right coverage, you can focus on growing your business, knowing that you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Contact DeshCap today to get started on securing your boiler and machinery insurance. Your business's future depends on it.